Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to check who shared your post on Facebook. This method works on the latest Facebook version and is suitable for both Android and iPhone users. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. After that, tap on three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings. Now tap on Notifications. Then tap on More Activity About You. After that, turn on the option Allow Notifications on Facebook. Once you enable this option, Facebook will notify you whenever someone shares your post. Now let's see how you can manually check who shared your post. Go back to the Facebook home screen. Then tap on the notifications icon. Here, look for the notification that says someone shared your post. As you can see, 2 people have shared my post. Just tap on that notification to see the details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips.